Van Gogh's The Starry Night has found a home on many different surfaces. The instantly recognizable work of art has been plastered on posters, coffee mugs, and even a bike path. It seemed like the painting had made it pretty much everywhere. That is, until 600 drones mapped it onto the night sky in northern China, setting a Guinness World Record in the process. EFYI Group, a drone production company, along with the university in China, set the record for the longest animation performed by unmanned aerial vehicles, with a time of 26 minutes and 19 seconds, according to the Guinness website. The Starry Night wasn't the only Vincent Van Gogh painting to be recreated in the sky. The drone performance told the story of the artist's life, moving through vignettes of his most famous work, including wheat field with cypresses, the mulberry tree in autumn, and the series Sunflowers. Zhang told Guinness that the drone animations in particular are tricky to execute. For the previous drone demonstrations, it was a picture flying to another picture, she said. Making a full-length animation is a difficult challenge for the whole team, both technically and creatively. Backing the show's narrative was meticulous technical planning. To qualify as an animation, the record's guidelines require 12 images per second on the part of the drones. To fashion the drones into these images, EFYI Group used high-precision positioning technology along with synchronization technology to achieve coordinated action, the product director at EFYI Group told Guinness. All 600 drones were of the same model, the Agile B2, which weighs approximately 3 pounds and flies at around 20 miles per hour. If you like your living room space light and airy, big screen TVs can present a bit of an aesthetics problem. Whether it be in the corner or the wall, well, they tend to pretty much dominate the room, don't they? The M1 from Austrian luxury brand Seed lives in the floor until you need it. Then it rises up and unfolds to a gigantic 165 inches of micro LED 4K visuals. In addition to everything else, the Seed behemoth rocks micro LEDs in their display, which we've really only seen from Samsung at this point. They're made up of an array of tiny RGB LED units that light up individually for the promise of improved resolution, color, brightness, and contrast. The CC does offer other installation options, though, to adapt to the existing architecture if in-floor placements are not possible. Meanwhile, adaptive gap collaboration means that the borders between the 5 display panels are rendered invisible. Assuming you already own the kind of luxury pad that can accommodate the M1, the television's US $400,000 price tag will no doubt be well within your reach. The rest of us will simply have to make do with gawking at the graceful component ballet in the video that they posted online. And happening in this week's What the? Something so frightening it can only be seen in Australia. Akin to the elusive drop bear, Australia has another danger that is often talked about but rarely seen. It's the vicious chicken-eating spider. It's quick and territorial and is actually just a black chicken with a spider costume. But because Australia has so many things trying to kill you, you didn't even question it, did you? Thanks for watching your weekly tech update. If you have a story you think we need to feature on the program, get in touch with me. Send me an email at djraymcneil@gmail.com. Find us on Facebook at Your Weekly Tech Update, and check out the podcast. Audio and video versions available on iTunes, Google, Spotify, Audio Burst, and elsewhere on the interwebs. Till next time, I'm Ray McNeil. Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. And now, here's your moment of joy.
Your weekly tech update brought to you by Holiday Home Care, Phillip Island, Victoria, Australia. It's your turn to relax. Before you get on holiday on the island, contact Holiday Home Care. We can set up your residence or holiday rental, do the shopping for you, provide linen and towels, and make sure it's all ready by the time you get here, giving you more time to enjoy what Phillip Island has to offer. For more information, visit holidayhomecarepi.com or email holidayhomecarepi@gmail.com.